If you're sick and tired of trying to get new clients and it not working, you've tried all these imaginary things that you've seen on YouTube that the experts say work, and it's not working for you, there's a reason why. You're in a different space and place than they are. And sometimes it takes us a little while to recognize that. I know it took me a little while too. Guess what? So I'm not preaching from the mountaintop. I'm only giving you information through my experience. And let's see if this video will help you out. Let's go. I've been there, y'all. I know what you're going through. I know the struggles that you're having. I know you're out there trying to find new ways to get customers. And one of the most common ways that I see on YouTube is guys telling you to get door hangers, right? Spend all this money on door hangers. I've been that guy that spent $250 on 500 door hangers. I've been the guy also that's went and hung a door hanger on somebody's door only to get cursed out through the Ring doorbell. Raise your hand if you've had that happen to you, right? So there's so many things that can go wrong when you're hanging door hangers when it comes to the customer perception. I've also hung a door hanger on somebody's door and turned around and seen the no soliciting sign. So guess what? You hang a door hanger if you want to on somebody's door that says no soliciting. I can guarantee you're going to have the police called on you. We also have to think about this. A lot of the neighborhoods we want to deal with, they already have no soliciting signs. So this idea that you can just hang door hangers on 5 people's doors on a client's yard that you're already servicing is not true. We also have to look at the fact that the close rate on hanging door hangers is below 1%. And I'm here to tell you that after 20 years of experience with the world's leading wireless carrier, where this is something that was a job requirement for us to go out and hang out door hangers. I've also been that guy that's been home and got that call and think, I got myself a new client. And guess what it is? That client is actually calling to tell you that you've ruined their property, you've stained their door from hanging door hangers on their door. Door hangers are not durable. They're for sure not durable in the South. You're walking around with 20, 30, 40, 50 door hangers in your hand. Guess what's going to happen? Those door hangers are going to start to stick together and all that. But hey, we have a solution for all this. I'm telling you, if you take these 3 steps that we're about to talk about, you will find yourself with a higher close rate than when you're doing it just by hanging doors. The reason why we don't have the close rate we're looking for when you're hanging door hangers is because of the fact that there's no customer interaction. We're in the problem solving solution business. We're also in sales, right? So again, let's look at these 3 steps. Let's do a deep dive into them and check them out. And I guarantee you, if you follow these 3 steps, you will improve your close rate and you will get new clients ASAP. The first thing we need to do is become comfortable being uncomfortable. And what I mean by that is we're lawn care guys. A lot of us by nature are just, we're introverts, right? We don't like to deal with people. We like to just go get on the mow, get the job done. But I'm telling you, you need to slow down and interact with the customers. If you see customers in the neighborhood that are walking outside, guess what? You can speak with them, right? You can talk to them, right? So again, the customers that come out the house and want to bother you while you're cutting grass, I know it slows us down. I know it's an issue with time. That's one of the things that helps us make money. So do we want to make quick and easy money, or are we trying to make long-term money and level up our lawn care business? If that's our focus, then we're going to take the time to speak with customers when we see them, have a personal interaction with them. Number 2 is something that I mentioned on plenty of videos before, and that is we want to make sure that we're bagging the front yard. However means you want to go through it. If you want to push mow it and bag it. If you want to use your 0-turn and bag it, you can. I prefer to push mow. And again, that separates us from what the other people are doing. And it also shows the client that we care. Who's going to see that? Their neighbors, right? And that's how you get the neighbors' attention and wind up having a customer interaction with the neighbors. Now, number 3 is one of those ones. I guess you guys thought I was going to tell you to throw away your door hangers, right? No, don't do that. That's for sure wasting money. What you want to do with those door hangers is something I used to do, is take these, cut them off at the top, find you an envelope, get you some from your local Walmart or wherever you want to get them from, man. It doesn't really matter. Take them, stuff them in there, get yourself 3 business cards. Just 3. Put those business cards in there, and guess what you have? You have a welcome envelope. What this is going to do is get you a better close rate than that 1% that you're looking at from hanging door hangers, or below 1%. It's also going to give you a referral opportunity. When you service your customer, tell your customer, however, I'm going to leave an envelope at your front door. I'm new to lawn care. I think you guys like the service that I'm giving you. So if you could, please give these to 3 of your neighbors, or to 3 family members for that matter. It really doesn't matter who they give them to, as long as they give the cards out. You can also include some information that you can get about the service that you provided, and that whether it's you do fertilization, upsell, anything like that, if you pressure wash, all that kind of stuff can be included in this envelope. Give it to your customer, and there you have 3 cards to use as referrals. You're going to increase your clientele, and I'm telling you, this works. I actually have a neighbor right now next door to me who I've done this for, and guess what they do? Give it to such and such, or give it to such and such, and now all of a sudden I'm the neighborhood guy for cutting grass. So this is an easy way for us to start off, get more clients, improve our close rate, because guess what? Neighbors don't want to see their neighbor's yard cut and theirs not cut. This same client that I'm telling you about lives next door to me. He told me when I first started cutting his yard, I cut my grass every week. He said, man, you need to cut mine too every week, because of the fact that, hey, when you cut your grass, it makes mine look bad. Guess what's going to happen with the neighbors? It's the same thing. You're going to wind up getting those repeat customers and improving your close rate. Don't throw away your door hangers, but don't hang door hangers either. That game is dead. That's old school. It doesn't work. You prevent yourself from being that guy that's spamming everybody's property with 100 door hangers, right? So this is an easy solution that we can take advantage of today. Do this, and I guarantee you that close rate's going to improve. Let's go.